Hello everyone, it's time for a new product review, and to start off this video I want to thank Tonor for sending me this product, the TC30 condenser microphone, to test and to review. Although Tonor sent me this product, I can assure you that this is my unbiased opinion and that I was not compensated in any way for this review. The box is simple, white, with the name and logo on the front, and I want to highlight that you get 2 years warranty with this product, which is really great. And at the back there is information in different languages, no information on what is inside the box, but let's open the box and physically check the contents. So we have the warranty card, the manual, the USB-A to USB-C cable, the pop filter, and the last item in the box is the microphone, which is already fitted on the tripod. The tripod is a mix of rubber, plastic and metal. The legs are metal with rubber feet, and the support for the microphone is made of plastic with elastic bands which act as a shock mount. The tripod is quite sturdy, placed on a desk it sits there. The microphone is the most important part of this kit. I have to say that at first touch the microphone feels very well in hand and I can actually tell the good build quality. It feels very solid and I really like this two-tone colorway. Grey and black go well together. The mic is made of plastic, looks to be good quality plastic. It has the logo here on the side, and at the back there is the USB-C port. To put everything together takes less than a minute, and this is what you need. A product that can be stored easily, that doesn't take too much space on the desk, and that can be dismantled and put together in no time. It looks quite good put together. Now it can be used like this with a tripod, or you can fit it on a boom arm. For the purpose of this video I will film with the camera and record my voice on the MacBook Pro using this microphone. Keep an eye on the top left corner to see the mic in use. It can be this Tonor TC30 or the shotgun mic that I use, the Deity D3 Pro. The best thing about this Tonor TC30 is that this is a plug-and-play microphone, so it doesn't require any software, and it can be used with nearly everything: Mac, Windows, Chromebook, Linux, PlayStation, PS5 included, but it is not compatible with phones and Xbox unfortunately. Let me give you some technical information about this microphone. It is a condenser microphone. It has a cardioid pickup pattern, so the best way to use it is right in front of you. The cable is 2 meters long, which is plenty to plug it into the PC, which might not be on the desk. It is quite a simple microphone. There is no gain knob or any mute and mute button or any headphone jack to monitor the sound, so no extra features. There isn't even an LED to let you know when the mic is on. But do not worry, the Tonor TC30 picks up a clear sound and it is very sensitive, so you can keep a fair distance between the mic and you. At the moment I sit around 40 centimeters away from the mic and it picks my voice very well. I suggest to use this mic in a room with some soundproof, as it picks up every sound. My room is a bit echoey, so you might notice that echo. In terms of usage, as I mentioned before, this is a plug-and-play unit, so you can start content creating or live streaming without any worries. Price-wise, this Tonor TC30 falls in the budget area. It has an affordable price and I am sure that you can get it very cheap on Amazon, as this is nearly always on offer. The link to this product is in the description below. They are affiliate links, so please use them as this will help the channel. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit the like button if so, subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the bell icon to be notified of other great product reviews. My name is Alex, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.